Hey there, welcome back to another Plant-Based Delights, and today we're going on a countryside farm tour. Awesome, let's go. So recently we had the land cleaned up and forked. That's what we call it here in Jamaica. So right now in the ground there's some pak choy, some lettuce, cucumbers, and string beans. And we just planted these a couple weeks ago, so we are excited to see their growth in a couple weeks. The weather here is perfect for these type of crops. It's raining almost every day. The land is very cool, and we are just excited to see these babies grow. And then this is the very big berry tree that I always get some yummy berries from, and this is just a quick view of the rest of the land. It's gonna take some work. And then we have some more pak choy. Here is a whole lot of pak choys in this part, and we also have some red callaloo right there. And we also have mustard somewhere in there and some sweet peppers. All of some of my favorites. And we're so excited to see them grow and flourish. And of course, we'll give you an update. So these are some ones around the land that have been growing already. These are some pepper trees. And me, I love my food spicy. And we also have some mint. I love mint tea. If you've never had it, this is your cue to try it. And then this is just me picking some berries one day. The tree is loaded this time of year. They are very sweet. I actually made some homemade jam with it the other day, and of course I will share that video soon as well. And just look at my hand. So thank you for coming on this small tour with us, and I'll see you soon. Bye.